A brand new report out today from the Centers for Disease Control finds a dramatic rise in autism diagnoses among children. In examining medical records from 2022, researchers found 1 in 31 children were diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder by the time of their 8th birthday. That is up from 1 in 54 children back in 2016. NBC News medical reporter Erika Edwards joins us now. Erika, just start by walking us through the findings of this report.
Yeah, Kate, as you said, this is a big increase, especially when you look at the last 25 years of data. All of these, again, based on medical records of diagnoses. This latest report shows that 1 in 31 kids is now being diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder by the time that they turn 8 years old. In 2016, as you mentioned, the prevalence was 1 in 54. In 2000, it was 1 in 150. Now, autism appears to be a focus of the Trump administration. President Donald Trump and HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. have both said that it's critical to find the cause of autism. In a statement today, Kennedy said, quote, "The HHS is assembling teams of world-class scientists to focus research on the origins of the epidemic, as he calls it." And he said he expects to begin to have answers by September. Kate Zinkley.
That's a pretty quick timeline. What are doctors that you're talking to, researchers, saying about the rates being, rising like this? Are doctors getting better? I know I've talked to people who say they're better at detecting autism. It's being reported more. But is there something else, environmental, involved as well?
Yeah, so that's actually the key there, Kate. Authors of the study even say that doctors are simply getting better than ever at identifying autism earlier and at younger ages. So at the same time, there are a lot of questions that remain, right? Especially about what causes autism. Right now, experts are focused on genetics, saying that there are perhaps hundreds, if not thousands, of neurogenetic factors that could be playing into the causes of autism.
And let me ask you one more thing about Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the Health and Human Services Secretary. He has said, as you said, that he wants to find the cause. He has also made comments and promoted the debunked theory that vaccines have something to do with autism. Does this report even mention that?
No, this report only looks at diagnoses. It does not dive into the potential causes of autism. That said, experts are adamant that even though there are a lot of unanswered questions about autism, one thing is for sure, they say vaccines do not cause autism. Kate.
Erika Edwards for us. Erika, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.